Welcome to Lakeshore RV. I'll be showing you through your Montana today. In your very front compartment, you're gonna have your generator. It is propane fed, so on the left, you're gonna have two breakers here. Make sure these breakers are on. Right now they're off. Turn them on. Push and hold prime for 3 seconds, and then you're gonna push and hold start for 3 seconds. Coming right to the right compartment of that, you're gonna have your battery, 12-volt battery. To the right of this, you're gonna have your little light here. It is manual, has a light switch here. On the driver's side, here you're gonna have your model and serial and VIN, as well as your tire pressure. Below here, you're gonna have your leveling system. Your leveling system, you're gonna power it on. And then the light means retract, to retract your legs. If that LED is not lit, it means extend. You're gonna raise the unit. Now what legs do you wanna raise? Front, back, and then auto level. As soon as you disconnect your truck and you're at a campsite, and your truck's out of the way, hit auto level. And then to bring up all the rear jacks, you're just gonna go retract, make sure that LED is lit, push and hold rear. And then power it off when you're done. You got two 30-pound LP tanks, both full. Regulator's gonna be right on this side. There's a little black knob on the top. Point it to the rear. You're gonna use this tank right here. Point it to the front. You're gonna use the passenger side tank. If you forget how to use that level system, there is a little cheat sheet right inside this propane door here. Right to the right, you're gonna have your hookup station. You're gonna have outdoor shower, as well winterization port, water heater bypass. So if you want to bypass your water heater, make sure this is on. That's again the winterize. Right below it's gonna be the winterize. So if you want to winterize your unit, you're gonna put a hose here, hooked to a 5-gallon, going to a 5-gallon bucket. You're gonna turn this winterization knob on. All that's gonna do is allow the suction come out of this port instead of this port. This port is your city fixtures. So this one you'll connect to. This knob here will show you if you want to fill your unit or if you want to use the city port. City is just the water coming off the water hose. That'll use that pressure. Black tank flush here. Black tank flush, do not hook up a water hose and power up that water hose until you're connected to the ground and both of these valves are open. Your connection for your sewer hose is going to be right to the right here. Right to the right is going to be your two low points. Your lowest parts are your water drain. Right up above it's going to be battery disconnect. You are satellite prep, as well as you have an air TV hookup, as the key TV. So you don't have to plug it into like 4 different ports, one for the living room, one for the bedroom. You just plug it into one port and it'll feed your whole camper. Right to the right, you got your exhaust. When it's on, careful, that gets extremely hot. You got your water heater here. Gray tank pole is going to be in this. So you got 2 gray tanks. This is going to be for your sink. Gray tank there. Condensation line here for your refrigerator. Don't be alarmed if it drips a little bit. Here on the back you have your vent for your fresh water tank. If you have too much water in it, while you're filling it, it will come out here. You got a 50 amp hose, or 50 amp electric adapter. You are prepped and ready for a Furrion camera system. It is a plug and play go. Take off 4 screws, plug it in like a headphone jack, and put the 4 screws back on. On your unit, you have 2 awnings. One's going to be on this slide, and one's also going to be the big main one up above your steps. Here, right below this slide here on the passenger side, you're gonna have your spare tire. Your outdoor speakers are controlled from the inside radio. I'll show you how that works when we go inside. Right to the left here, you're gonna have motion light. To the right is gonna be your other LP tank. They are both full. Let's go ahead and go inside your unit here. Inside your unit, right to the black box here is going to be breakers and fuses. If you have any problems with the camper, check these first. These fuses, if they go out, will show a little red LED light. The top cupboard here is going to be your control panel. Control panel, very top left is going to be, you can start your generator in here as well as shut it down from in here, as well as you can on the generator itself. Right below it's going to be heated tanks. They are set at a set temp, so they will not overheat. Right below it's going to be the fan control for your living room, higher or low. Right to the right here, you're going to have this little panel here. This is going to be showing your levels. You're going to just push and hold to see the level of what tank you want to. Water pump right to the right, just in case you are using the water off the tank itself. Gas water heater, an electric water heater, so you have an electric probe as well as propane. If you turn them both on, they're going to heat it up a lot quicker. And then all the rest of these that are lit, the blue LEDs, are all lights. You have your slide 1 here, slide 2, slide 3. Slide 3 is going to be your bedroom. Slide 2 is going to be the slide with the TV on it. Slide 1 is going to be the slide with the couch on it. Awning controls here. You got to keep an eye on them when you're rolling them out. They don't have a safety stop, so they will come doing a reverse roll. So just kind of look at it when you're pulling them out. Let's go ahead and start from the master bedroom and make our way back to the kitchen area. Master bedroom, you have individual reading lights above the bed. They are tap lights. You're going to see these throughout your unit. There is a little button in the center that you'll push. Inside your closet here, you are going to be prepped for a washer, dryer. Right to the left, you got your main light switch for the bedroom, as well as an AC control thermostat for back here. The heat is going to be controlled by the living room one. For the whole unit, you're just going to tap it again. That's going to turn on fan, cool, turn up and down, and then the furnace as well as off. Inside your master bedroom here, or master bathroom, you got your dual sinks as well as your GFI breaker. So again, if something pops and not working right, check this GFI breaker as well as those breakers and fuses. If that's not working, go outside and check the breaker on your electric box outside. You have your max airflow controls here for the vent in the bathroom. This vent, as soon as it detects rain, it will automatically close. So if you have it on and you go for a walk and it detects a little bit of sprinkle, it's going to close down. Shower here. Coming into your kitchen. Kitchen here, these two lights here underneath your shelf are going to be controlled by the light switch right to the right, as well as the other light switch is going to control the drop lights above your sink here. Here is your main thermostat. This is going to control the heat throughout the whole unit, as well as you can use it for the AC in the living room area. Right above it's going to be another max airflow fan. That's going to be right above your stovetop. Again, this is a water detector fan, so as soon as it starts raining, it will automatically close. Fridge. Here is going to be it's going to be a propane as well as a shore power fridge. You'll turn it on. Right above it, you'll see a little green dot near the 3. That means it's on auto. So as soon as I connect the shore power, it's going to use that power. As soon as I disconnect shore power, it's going to use your propane. If you don't want the chirp as soon as you disconnect shore power. Just turn it off because it will set an alarm if it does not find a feed of power. Right to the left here, you got your microwave. Microwave will be best indicator if you at least have 30 amps. If it is on and working, you at least have 30 amps. If this is not on and you are plugged in, go through and check your breakers as well as just recheck your connection outside. Right below it's going to be your stove top. It's just going to be like your normal home stove top or grill top that you'd use. You'd move your knob over to the light button here and just push and hold the igniter on the left side. Right to the right of that is going to be your light control pointed all the way up. That's going to be just the light knobs pointed all the way down. That's going to show you the light in the oven as well. Middle is off. During transportation, please fold down the glass so it don't shatter. Right on the left side here, on the sink side, you got a light switch here. That's going to control the LEDs around your little island, as well as your keys are around your sink. Going right past your sink, you got your pantry. Your pantry, the light inside could be turned to on or motion, all by the switch. Just turn it off, just turn it into center position. Right to the left of that is going to be your entertainment center. You're going to have your TV. The remotes are in the drawer. That you get all local channels right off the get with the air antenna. Right to the left here, you're going to have your audio. The audio, you can do Bluetooth, aux cord, HDMI, anything you want to. You can plug into this. That will feed through your system. Speaker zone 2 is going to be outside. Speaker zone 1 is going to be inside. You can have them both on, both off, one on, one off. It doesn't matter. It's up to your discretion. Right below it, you're going to have a fireplace. You got a small remote that's inside one of the drawers. Just know if you do happen to lose that remote, you can control your fireplace by the buttons here. Right to the left here, you're going to have USB chargers as well as 120 outlets. Or 110 outlets. You do have a light switch on this side. That's going to control the lights right over the couch here. As well as on your slide here, you got two recliner chairs. They are powered on the sides here. As well as right to the left, you're going to have a dimmer switch for right above them. You can control the power of the light on and off to completely shut the dimmers off. Above your dining room table, you're going to have individual lights, just kind of like I showed you in your master bedroom. They're going to be a little button in the center. You're going to see these throughout your unit. Turn them on. You're going to have to do it manually. That is going to complete our video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for choosing Lakeshore.